Namaste. How can we release this anxiety in our daily life? Yeah, it is true that even great people may become anxious once in a while, but there are techniques which we can use to release the anxiety. One of the thing is when we wake up in the morning, we can actually bring our hand to the back of the ear. These are all marma points, and then we are pressing each point, and while we press them for 0.8 seconds, then we release, then we press, release. We can do for 15 to 18 times. Then we can do the Bhramari Pranayama, touching these areas, like breathing in 7 times. You can do the Bhramari Pranayama. Like that, when you do it for 7 times, you feel the stress which is coming from the outside world is not affecting you. Then you can do the simple Nadi Shodhana, where you are breathing through the alternate nostril, like simply breathing in through the left nostril, breathing out through the right nostril, breathing in through the right nostril, breathing out through the left nostril, and then relaxing. You can do this 90 seconds meditation, where when you are becoming anxious, what is that which is causing me anxious? Okay, I'm thinking about one person. Is that person really giving me anxiety? I just sit and think about that person. Or it is love I am not feeling in my life. Compassion I am not feeling in my life. So I just become more compassionate, and for 90 seconds I settle myself. I chant certain mantras. I do some breathing works. I close my eyes and relax the whole body for some time. I hear nice gentle music. I hear the positive words. I hear the words from the scriptures which help me to settle my mind. Those who do not want to do all these things, they can at least do some pranic exercise, like breathing their hands towards the belly, breathing in, releasing the stress with the sound, again bringing the hands to the chest, breathing in, releasing the stress, again bringing the hands to the shoulder, breathing in, releasing the stress from the shoulder, and then slowly bringing the hands down, and then bringing the hands to Namaste Mudra, breathing in and feeling the relaxation. This simple kind of relaxation also helps one. So one can do this 90-second meditation several times, or do these moments whenever one is feeling stress. Thank you so much. Namaste.